Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the Airpods and case have juice. Plug them in or charge to about 50% to avoid interruptions. Once that's set, go to each device where you paired them and forget the Airpods in Bluetooth settings so they won't auto-reconnect. Next, place both Airpods into the case and close the lid for 30 seconds. This resets the pairing state. When you open the lid, keep your phone or device nearby so you can observe the light and proceed. Now, with the lid open and the Airpods in the case, locate the setup button on the back of the case. You press and hold that button for about 15 seconds. Initially, you'll see an amber flash as the device clears settings, and then a white flash that signals a successful reset. Make sure to keep the case lid open the whole time and keep the Airpods within a few inches of your phone. Once the white light appears, the Airpods are in factory default mode and ready to pair. Finish by bringing your device near the open case. Follow the on-screen pairing prompts just like new AirPods. If pairing fails, make sure Bluetooth is on, then reboot your phone and repeat the hold button reset sequence. Sometimes, a simple restart clears cached Bluetooth conflicts. If issues persist, try pairing with a second device to determine whether the problem is the Airpods or the original device. Remember, most problems resolve by recharging, rebooting, and repeating the reset once more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.